Namaste everyone. Today we will be doing power yoga, which is for the beginners. Even the regular practitioner also can practice the same, but it's the easiest level. So let us start with our centering practice. Let's be on the mat physically and mentally complete. Let us focus on our breathing first. Yoga doesn't mean just being flexible or reaching to your goal to perform particular asana. Instead, it's all about breathing. So, let us try to focus on our breathing first. Let's feel every inhalation and exhalation. This is what is our centering practice. We try to connect our inner soul with our body through our breath. So, let's focus on our breath throughout the practice. Let us join our palms together in Namaste Mudra. Now, we will start our practice with 3 Omkaras. Let's inhale together. Inhale while exhaling. Let's chant together. Om. Inhale. Om. Last inhale. Om. Let's rub the palm and generate some heat. Place the palms over the eyes and the face and open your eyes with a big smile. So let us begin with our warm up first. Let's spread our legs front. Now we'll practice for 5 rounds for Nauka Sanchalana. Raise our hands up and bind the feet. Bend front while exhaling and inhale, go up. Your spine should be straight while bending front. Push from the hips. Inhale, come up. Exhale, front. Inhale, come up. Exhale, front. Inhale, come up. Exhale, front. Inhale, come up. Now we'll take the reverse. Exhale, come up, inhale. Front, exhale, up, inhale. Exhale, front, up, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, front. Inhale, up. Exhale, front. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. Come to down dog. Raise your left leg up and bring it in between the palms. Now lift your left knee and ankle. Raise your right arm up. Look up and keep your chest open. If you are not comfortable with your left leg, you can even bring down your left knee and your ankles flat on the mat and hold in the pose for 5 deep breaths. As I am comfortable, I am lifting it up. Now slowly you can bring both your palms down and go back to down dog. Raise your left leg up and bring it in between the palms. Your right knee up or down as on your wish. Now raise your left hand towards the ceiling and open your chest. Hold in the pose for another 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Don't forget to breathe. Stay in the pose and be gentle to your right arm. Don't hold only on arm. Support with your leg. Let's bring down the other arm and get back to down dog. Now from here, walk with the small steps towards the front as much as possible, trying to avoid knee bend. Then slowly roll up to the stand. So we are done with our warm up. Now we'll begin with our sun salutation. Let's do it together. Inhale, exhale to the Samasthiti. Now inhale, join up to Hast Uttana. Try to bend as much as possible. Be gentle to your back. Exhale to the forward fold. Keep your spine straight. Avoid rolling your back. You can soften your knees if you need to. Keeping your spine straight is more important rather than touching your toes even. So you can remain in the halfway, but try to fold as much as possible, keeping your spine straight. Inhale, take your right leg back. Knee and ankle flat on the mat. Look front. Inhale, left leg back. Hold in the plank your breathe, and then while exhaling, go down to knees, chest and chin, Ashtanga. In this, your hips will be up, your elbows will be close to your ribs. Inhale, slide up to Cobra, elbows close to ribs and toes flat on the mat. Exhale, come up to down dog. Lengthen your spine here. Try to touch your feet on the mat if you can and press your palms to push your chest towards your thighs. You can bend your knee even if required or straighten it up if you are flexible enough. Now slowly bring your hips down and bring your right leg front. Keep your left knee and ankle flat on the mat. Exhale and bring your left leg front to forward fold. Exhale here and inhale, come up to Hastuttana. While bending back, tighten your glute muscle to avoid back strain. Exhale to Samasthiti. We'll repeat this from the left side now. Inhale, Hastuttana, gentle arch to the back. Now exhale, forward bend to Padahasta. Soften your knees here. Keep your spine straight. Try to hold from your calf and bend. Inhale, take your left leg back to Ashwasanchalana. Keep your toes flat here. Look front and push your hips down. Take your right leg back and come to the plank. Now knees, chest and chin. Ashtanga. Exhale. Inhale, come up to Bhujanga. Exhale, come to Parvata. Spine straight and press your palms to send your hips higher as much as possible. Inhale to Ashwasanchalana, left leg front. Now exhale, bring both the legs front to Padhasta. Inhale to Hasta Uttana, exhale to Samasthiti. One last round of sun salutation, then we'll start with our asana practice. Inhale and exhale to Samasthiti. Inhale, raise your hand to Hasta Uttana. Exhale to forward fold, Padhasta. Inhale to right leg back, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, left leg back to high plank. Now exhale, knees, chest and chin to Ashtanga. Inhale to Cobra and exhale to Parvata. Spine straight, press palms to send hips higher. Knees soft, take your right leg front to Ashwasanchalana. Don't rush, complete every asana. Exhale, bring left leg front to Padahasta. Inhale up to Hasta Uttana and exhale back to Samasthiti. Now the other side. Inhale, Hasta Uttana and exhale to Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back to Ashwasanchalana. Exhale to plank, right leg back. Hold your breathe here and exhale to knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga. Stomach and hips off the mat, elbows close to ribs. Now inhale, slide up to Bhujanga. Tighten your glute muscle always here to reduce spine strain. Now exhale to the Parvata. Knees soft. Inhale, bring your left leg front to Ashwasanchalana. Then exhale to Padahasta, both leg front. Inhale, come up to Hasta Uttana. Exhale to Samasthiti. One last round. Inhale, exhale to Samasthiti. Inhale to Hasta Uttana. Exhale to Padhasta, forward fold. Inhale, right leg back to Ashwasanchalana. Right ankle flat on the mat. Now left leg back. Exhale to plank. Hold breathe here in plank. Then exhale, knees, chest, chin to Ashtanga. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale back to Parvata. Knees soft here, spine straight, hips up. And inhale, take your right leg front to Ashwasanchalana. Bring left leg front. Exhale to Padhasta. Inhale, come up to Hasta Uttana. Exhale to Samasthiti. Inhale to Hasta Uttana, backward bend, forward bend. Exhale to Padhasta. Inhale, left leg back to Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, right leg back to high plank. Hold your breath here. Now knees, chest and chin. Exhale. Inhale, slide to Cobra. Exhale, back to Parvata. Now inhale, left leg front, Ashwasanchalana. Right leg front to Padahasta. Exhale. Now inhale, come up to Hasta Uttana and exhale to Samasthiti. Now bring your palms down, open your palms and open your feet hip width apart and relax. We are warmed up enough for our asana practice. We are done with our sun salutation. Now we will be doing strong asanas. All the asanas, take it on your own pace. Do not rush. I will be showing you first, then you join me from the next round. Come to the front of your mat. Now take your left leg back, right leg front. Point your right toes towards front and left toes towards your left. Now raise your both the arms on shoulder level. Bend little front halfway. Do not bend any of your knees. Keep both straight. Take your left arm towards your right leg right side and bend towards the right side. Left arm you can keep either on your shin bone or you can keep on the ground if you can touch to the mat, or else you can just twist and hold it wherever it reaches. Now twist as much as you can. Your right hand towards the ceiling. Your chest should be open. and then gradually you can come back to stand, and we will repeat the same process from the other side, keeping the other right leg back side. Like we'll take our right leg back, we'll twist front, and then we'll bend front halfway, and our right leg will go towards the left side and left hand will go towards the ceiling. We'll do the same now together. Let's start. Come front of your mat. Now take your left leg back. Open 2 to 2.5 feet apart and keep your both the knees straight. Now raise both of your hands to the shoulder level. Turn your body to the front, and from here bend your body halfway and touch your left hand to your right toes or ankles. Your right hand goes to the ceiling and your body is completely twisted towards your right side. Hold in the pose for 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Try to balance. If you lose your balance, come back to the position. Take it easy, relax, but don't let your knees bend. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now inhale and come up slowly. Take your left leg front and now right leg back. Left toes facing front and right toes facing right. Your body front, and now bring down your left arm and raise your right arm up towards ceiling. Hold in the pose and keep your chest open. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay in the pose. Gaze at a single point to have better balance. If you find little uncomfortable, you can keep your palm next to your left feet. Hold in the pose. Breathe in, breathe out. One last inhalation and exhalation in the pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly come up, keep your hands on your waist and bring both the legs closer. I'll be showing you the next asana now, which is Anjaneya Asana. You stay in the Vajrasana while I'll be demonstrating the Anjaneya Asana. You come on your palms and come to down dog. From here, we will raise our right leg up and then we'll bring it to the front. Bring your left knee and ankle flat on the mat. Raise your arms, inhale up and arch your back and try to push your hips down as much as possible. This we will repeat either side. Now we'll take right leg back and left leg front, and now raise your hands, inhale, push your hips down, exhale, come down to down dog. So this is one asana we'll be performing together now. We'll do it together now. Let's join here in down dog. Slowly. Now lift your right leg up and inhale. Exhale, bring it to the front. Keep your left knees and toes flat on the mat. Raise up, inhale, hands up. Arch your back as much as possible. Tighten up your glute muscles so you won't feel more strain on your back. And try to push your hips as down as possible. Just hold in the pose, but don't forget to breathe. You can keep your palms to the heart center if you are not comfortable with the arch, and try to hold here by holding your hips down as much as possible. Then keep your palms to the front and lift your both the legs and come to down dog. Inhale, again lift your left leg up and exhale, bring it to the palm center. Now lift up, inhale and raise your hands up. Now either you keep palms to the heart center or you lift it towards up based on your comfort. Hold here, but don't hold in the breathe. Holding every time in the pose, not on the breathe. Keep breathing, keep pushing your hips down. Try to bring it down as much as possible and slowly exhale and come back to the down dog. Now you can come on your knees slowly and we will move to the next asana. Before that, you relax in Shashankasana, which is child pose, for a while. Come back in Vajrasana. Now slowly we will come to the next asana, which is our butterfly pose. Here you can join me together as it is quite easy. All of you might already be knowing about it. So here we join our both the legs, feet and then we try to press our knees down, trying to touch it to the mat as much as possible. We're just holding like this and pressing both the thighs with your elbows, trying to touch it to the ground as much as possible and bending front. So inhale when you're up and exhale when you come down, and on every exhalation you try to press more and more down, and this press should be from your lower back, from your hips. You have to push from your hips, not only on the spine. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly exhale, inhale and come up. Now next asana I'll be demonstrating you. Meanwhile you can sit and relax. So lie down on your back, bring your ankles close to your hips. Now we have to lift our hips up, keeping palms down. You can press your palms down, or you can interlace the fingers and lift up. Lift up your hips as much as possible. We have to hold in the pose for 10 deep breath, and then we will be coming to the next asana. So let's join. Lie down on your back and then bring your hips close to your heels, and now slowly lift your hips up. Inhale and hold both your hands, interlace the fingers and try to press as much as possible. Lift up your hips. Try to lift up more and more. Tighten up your glute muscles and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Hold in the pose. Don't hold the breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now exhale and bring your hips down. Now breathe in and breathe out. Hold both your knees with your hands and bring it close to your chest. Pavan Muktasana. Just hold here for 1 or 2 breaths, then release. Bring your legs down on the mat. You can just relax here. Meanwhile, I'll be showing you the next asana. Fold your knees and bring them to the chest and spread both your hands to the shoulder level. Now we will be performing Markatasana. For this, both your knees, you will have to make it fall towards your right side, touching to your right elbow. Press your knees and keep both the shoulders on the mat. Look at the other side. Lift your knees up slowly and bring them down towards your left elbow and look at the right side. Now lift up. We will be doing the same asana once again together. So fold your knees and bring them close to your chest. Now fall the knees to the right side near your right elbow and look at the left side. Keep both your shoulders on the ground, touch to the ground. Don't let it be coming up. If required, you can hold or press your knees using your right hand, right palm, and inhale, exhale. Breathe in the pose, and then gradually you can lift up both your knees, bring it to the center. Now take it towards your left elbow. Try to touch knees to the ground and keep your both the shoulders on the mat and look at your right side. Try holding in pose. Initially you may find it difficult to touch shoulder and knees together on the ground, but gradually it happens. So keep practicing, it will definitely happen soon. Keep breathing, keep inhaling and exhaling. Hold in the pose, don't hold the breath. Now slowly bring your knees to the center, cross both your legs and try to hold your toes and try to lift up to sit. Now we will have our breathing practice. We will be performing first Anulom Vilom. Bring your right hand up into Vishnu Mudra. Using right thumb, we will close right nostril and inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right and exhale from the left. This completes with our one round of Anulom Vilom. We'll be doing this 5 times. Let's practice together. Should start this always from the left inhalation first. Lift your right hand in Vishnu Mudra and then using your right thumb, close your right nostril and inhale from the left. Close left side and exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right and close right. Exhale from the left. Once again, inhale from the left and exhale from the right. Now inhale from the right and exhale from the left. This completes 2 rounds. Let's count on our own now, and inhale left, exhale right, inhale right and exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. Now slowly release and inhale, exhale from both the nostrils and bring your palm down in Chinna Mudra on your knees. Sit straight, relax. Now we'll practice next pranayam, Bhramari. For this we will lift up both our palms. Using our thumb we'll press both the ear petals. Then using other 4 fingers, the first we'll keep on the forehead, one on eyes and both towards the nose, next to nose. We'll not press our nose, let it be open. And now inhale from the nose, both the nostrils, and exhale with the sound of which is called humming bee. Here our ears, eyes and lips will be closed. Both our upper and lower teeth will have the gap in between. Now let's do it together, but remember you will not be able to listen to me while closing your ears. So close your ears tightly and then you start on your own. Inhale deep and exhale with the sound of Inhale once again, exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Inhale one last. Once again, inhale. Now slowly you can bring both your hands down if you are done with your 5 rounds, and then try to listen to the sound of which is still there in your mind, the vibrations of humming bee sound. Feel the vibrations and relax. Now slowly closing your eyes and lie down on the mat. We are going to be in Shavasana now. Relax. You have done great today. It was your probably the first session, but still you have done amazing. You completely deserve this Shavasana. Let's relax here in Shavasana. Inhale and exhale. Have a deep breathing. Now, one by one, I will be calling out all your body parts. You will be closing your eyes and just trying to focus your mind towards that body part to relax it. Just listen to my voice and relax. Let's surrender to the mat completely and relax. Feel your toes relaxed, your feet completely relaxed, your ankles and calves completely relaxed. Relax your knees and thighs. Relax your hips and your lower and spine. Relax. Relax your back, try to touch your back on the mat. Remove the arch from the back and relax. Relax your stomach and your chest. Just relax your shoulders, arms, and hands and palms. Completely relaxed now. Your neck region, your head, everything is relaxed. Relax your eyebrows, your forehead. Remove all the tensions from your face. Smile. Now inhale deep and stretch both your arms up. Stretch from your toes to your palms and feel like you just woke up from a deep sleep. Now slowly turn towards your right, using your right arm as a pillow. Relax here for a while. Now slowly you get up and sit without opening your eyes. Just try. Sit straight, back straight, and sit in Sukhasana. We are at the end of our session. Now we will be just showing some gratitude towards our practice. Let's join our palms together, and with a deep inhalation, while exhaling, we will be chanting Omkara. Let's inhale all together. Inhale deep and Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let's rub our palms and generate some heat. Rub, 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 and then place your palms on your eyes, on your face, and run it over your body. Now let's show some gratitude to your practice today, to your mat, and to your body, and thanks to the time given to ourselves. Now blink and open your eyes slowly, look at your palms, and namaste. Thank you for joining me today here. I hope to see you soon once again on the mat.